Hi friends, welcome back to one of my crochet tutorials. Today we'll be making a crown applique adorned with beads and pearls. You can also make this crown without them if you prefer. This crown can be used as a standalone piece or added to other craft projects. I use this same crown for my classic line plushie, and you can find that crochet pattern in my shop. For the materials, you will need Lincraft double knitting yarn in purple or any 8-ply yarn of your choice, 2mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, and for the beads and pearls, dental floss string, I pick up this bead and pearl set from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. It even came with string, but for some reason I can't bear to use these and I'm using dental floss instead. Please tell me I'm not the only one who does this. 2 4mm pearls, one 6mm gold bead. Let's get started. If you like to add beads or pearls, here are the quick prep steps. You can skip this section if you prefer not to use them. Thread the dental floss into a needle that fits through your bead. Tie a knot at the end of the floss. Loop your yarn through the floss. For this crown, I'm using 2 pearls on either side with a gold bead in the center. String the bead in this order: pearl, bead, pearl. Pull the beads far down onto the yarn. Then remove the needle. Your yarn is now pre-strung and ready to use. Tie a slip knot. Row 1, chain 8, single crochet in the second chain from hook and in each chain across. We'll end up with 7 stitches. Row 2, turning chain 1. Turning chain simply means chain 1, then turn your work. Invisible increase. For this project, I'm using the invisible increase method I use in my Amigurumi, which is work 1 single crochet in the front loop only, followed by 1 single crochet through both loops of the same stitch. 5 single crochet, finish with invisible increase. We will end up with 9 stitches at the end of the round. Turning chain does not count as a stitch. Row 3, turning chain 1, 9 single crochet, If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please give the video a like or share to support my little channel. Row 4, turning chain 1, chain 4. This chain creates the height for our crown points. Row 5, now we are beginning with our crown points. Point 1, double treble crochet. To do double treble crochet, yarn over 3 times. Insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time until 1 loops remain. Chain 1, slide purl. If you are not using beads or pearls, simply skip the sliding step and continue as normal. Chain 1 to lock the pearl in place. Another double treble crochet. Treble crochet. To do a treble crochet, yarn over twice. Insert hook into the stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time until 1 loops remain. Single crochet. Treble crochet. Moving on to the second point, begin with double treble crochet. Chain 1. Slide the bead. Chain 1 to lock the bead in place. Do another double treble crochet. Treble crochet. Single crochet. Finish with treble crochet. Moving on to the third point of the crown, double treble crochet. Chain 1, slide the pearl. Chain 1 to lock the pearl. Double treble crochet. Finish with chain 5. Slip stitch into the same stitch to secure. Now to finish, weave in the starting tail neatly at the back. The front and the back look identical, so you can choose whichever side you like best. That's it, we are all done. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. Have a happy new year, and until next time, take care, my loves.